Welcome to Best Commercial AC Repair in Texas. AC units are going to break down from time to time, and it does not matter how much care you take. These are issues that are going to arise for those who are not careful enough. There are many people who get stuck in this sort of problem and don't know what to do. Here is what you are going to get with the best professionals in town. A certified HVAC expert can make a world of difference in handling your AC maintenance needs and resolving potential problems. Call toll-free 1-844-409-0941. Visit us for more info. http://www.airconditioningchampions.com/